How to save the ChatGPT conversation as PDF on Mac. So firstly, open the conversation which you want to save as PDF. I got here this random one. So all you have to do is to just make sure that the conversation is here visible. And now proceed to the menu bar and click File. At the bottom, click Print. And here is the conversation which I want to save as PDF. On the right, find destination and select Save as PDF. Now go down and click Save and save this conversation as a PDF. Click on Save. And if I open my downloads, open this PDF, and this is my saved conversation. So that's it, and you can also use the ChatGPT app. Again, click on File in your menu bar and click Print. Now at the bottom, find here this window, click this arrow and click Save as PDF. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.